When it comes to enhancing the aesthetics, security, and functionality of your Ferndale home, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing custom doors. While off-the-shelf options may seem convenient and affordable, custom door installation offers a range of benefits that can be tailored to your unique needs and style preferences. In this article, we'll explore why custom door installation is the best choice for your Ferndale home. Perfect fit for your home's unique architecture. Ferndale is known for its beautiful, diverse mix of homes, ranging from charming bungalows to historic properties and modern townhouses. A one-size-fits-all approach to door installation may not suit every architectural style, and standard doors can often look out of place or fail to provide the best fit. With custom door installation, you can ensure that the door complements the design of your home, whether it's a sleek, contemporary style or a more classic, traditional look. Custom doors are designed specifically to fit the dimensions and unique features of your home, ensuring a seamless integration that enhances both curb appeal and functionality. Whether you're dealing with non-standard door frames or want to incorporate intricate details, a custom-made door can deliver the perfect solution. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. It sets the tone for the rest of your property and creates a lasting first impression. Custom doors allow you to create a focal point that adds personality, elegance, and charm to your entryway. With a wide variety of materials, finishes, and designs to choose from, you can select a door that matches your personal taste and elevates the exterior of your Ferndale home. Whether you want a door with beautiful glass inserts, a bold color that pops, or an intricate design that reflects the character of your neighborhood, custom doors offer endless possibilities for enhancing your home's visual appeal. Improved security. A front door is your home's first line of defense against intruders. Custom doors are built to meet your specific security needs. You can choose materials that are stronger and more secure than the typical pre-made options available at big box stores, such as solid wood, steel, or reinforced fiberglass. These materials provide added durability and resistance to break-ins, offering you peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Additionally, custom doors can be fitted with high-quality locks and security features such as deadbolts, smart locks, and security glass. These advanced options enhance the overall security of your home, keeping your family and belongings safe. Energy efficiency and insulation. Another significant advantage of custom door installation is the ability to optimize your home's energy efficiency. Poorly insulated doors can lead to drafts, temperature fluctuations, and higher energy bills. Custom doors are designed with superior insulation materials that help keep your home comfortable year-round, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. By choosing custom doors, you can select energy-efficient options such as double-glazed glass or solid-core construction, which help to prevent heat loss in the winter and keep cool air inside during the summer. This translates into better indoor comfort and lower energy costs, making custom door installation an investment that pays off over time. Durability and long-lasting value. while off-the-shelf doors may be more affordable initially, they often lack the durability and longevity that custom doors offer. Custom doors are crafted with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the test of time, meaning fewer repairs and replacements in the future. Whether it's the harsh Michigan winters or the humid summer months, custom doors are built to hold up against the elements, providing long-lasting value for your Ferndale home. Additionally, custom doors can be designed with your lifestyle in mind. Whether you have pets, young children, or high-traffic areas in your home, a custom door can be built to handle these factors, ensuring durability without sacrificing style. Increased home value. Upgrading to a custom door installation can also increase the resale value of your Ferndale home. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with high quality, unique features that stand out, and a custom door is one of the easiest ways to make a statement. A well-designed custom door not only enhances curb appeal but also signals to buyers that the home has been thoughtfully upgraded and well-maintained. In addition, homes with energy-efficient, secure, and stylish doors tend to attract higher offers on the market. The investment in a custom door can pay off in the form of a quicker sale and a better return on investment. Conclusion. Custom door installation offers an array of benefits that off-the-shelf doors simply can't match. From achieving the perfect fit for your home's architecture to improving security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetics, custom doors are a smart investment that enhances the beauty and functionality of your Ferndale home. Whether you're looking to boost curb appeal, increase your home's value, or enjoy better comfort and security, custom doors deliver a high-quality solution that meets your specific needs. Invest in a custom door today, and transform your Ferndale home into a true reflection of your style and personality.